Ladies and gentlemen, Coach Keith King in the Forex Report.
Hello, Coach Cam. Nice to hear from you. This, of course, is Coach Keith, and I'm bringing you the introduction to the forthcoming Forex Report. It was kind of a tale of two central banks, really more than two, but what I mean by the tale of two different central banks. On Wednesday, the U.S. Federal Reserve issued a very optimistic report, which is really the meeting minutes for the meeting held earlier in the month of May on the 1st and 2nd. And all that they were talking about was the strength of the U.S. economy and the growth of the U.S. economy, and that how they were achieving their target inflation rate of 2%, and that indeed they were even going to sacrifice a little bit of inflation if that's what they had to do to continue growth in the economy. They indicated they will be raising rates, likely at the June meeting, probably at least another time later in the year. By comparison, news out of Europe was nothing but pessimistic with the growing and ominous debt situation in Italy. I'll be discussing that in a separate little report. And then, of course, Bank of England and Bank of Japan had very pessimistic reports coming out. The euro and the pound did sell off on the pessimistic news. For some reason, analysts love the Japanese yen. The Bank of Japan had by far the most pessimistic report, saying that they're going to have to continue with easing for a substantial time going forward, which means more printing, no possibility of interest rate hikes, and yet the yen rallied because the analysts feel it's a flight to safety. I discussed that in the video. It's not a flight to safety.